Did they strengthen the hulls or the motor mounts on the 325?
No.
No. No need.
What they did do, though, I saw a comment about this earlier. The carbon seal, they revised it. You still have a carbon seal, you still have a top hat, but instead of using a C-clip, it's now using a threaded drive shaft and nut with a washer that's going to lock the nut.
It's a lock washer, yeah. It's a locking washer.
So some of these carbon seal failures that you've seen, it's because of the C-clip just falls out. And your top hat's no longer being secured to the carbon ring.
It backs out.
Right. So now that issue's being eliminated. And so now you'll have a reliable carbon seal on top of everything else. Oh, very nice. And
right.
Oh, you're good. So you'll have a reliable carbon seal on top of all the other changes, because the only reason you're going to wear down a carbon seal to the point of failure is if your engine's out of alignment or you're revving it out of water, which will overheat it and wear it down too quickly. So,
or it's full of shit, or it's full of sand and dirt and crap because
that too.
Shallow started, you're running up a beach like a freaking kook.
Yeah. So if you're a responsible rider, not sucking trash through your pump, running it up a beach, whatever, you're not revving your ski out of water, then you should be okay as far as carbon seal goes. But hull and motor mount still the same.
Yes. ST3 hull unchanged. T3R hull unchanged. Hey guys, thanks for hanging out. This clip was taken from our weekly podcast that we record here every Sunday night at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. If you want to watch the whole video, you can go to the Watercraft Journal's YouTube channel, go to playlists, and then click on live sessions. You're going to see it there. Otherwise, go ahead and leave a like, a comment, and definitely subscribe to the channel. It helps us grow. And again, thanks again for watching our videos, and we hope to see you soon.